Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. In this video, we're gonna find out top 7 and free most useful website for you. So let's go. The first website is archive.org. If you want to download free movie, books, music, software, images, and many more, then this website and this archive.org is the best option for you. And its main goal is to provide you all content for free. It's a non-profit organization. You also can download all files that are usually not available in the internet, and this is completely free. The second website is screenshot.guru. If you want to take high-quality screenshot of any website and web page, then this website is the best option for you. Simply just copy the link of your required website and just done. Simple. The third website is duolingo.com. If you want to learn foreign language like French, Spanish, Chinese, English, and many more, then this website is best option for you. And the main part is this website is completely free, so you can learn any language for free. And you also can download app to your iOS and Android device. The number 4, bugmenot.com. If you want login email and password of any website, you can do that. And if you don't want to put on your email address and password to create an account, just simply copy the web address link and paste on bugmenot.com. Voila! You will get email address and password within a second. And you can do that with any kind of website where it requires email address and password to create an account. Number 5, vector.com. This website is for those who do graphical work a lot. On this website, you can make free vector and make vector GIF file so easily, and you can export as a PNG and GIF file within a second. And it's totally free. Number 6, WeTransfer.com. By using this website, you can transfer more than 2 GB file by using your email address. We know that we cannot send email more than 25 MB, but using this transfer system, you can send email up to 2 GB, and it's totally free. If you want to send email to multiple email address, then you can do that. You don't have to create an account on this website. You just use your own Gmail account to send your file. That's simple. Number 7, onlineocr.net. If you want to convert your PDF file to Microsoft Word and Excel, then you can do it so easily and for free by using this website. And the most awesome and another feature is, if you want to convert your text file and your text language to any other language from your PDF, then you can do it easily, just like English, French, Indian, any other language in the world. Just simply upload your file and convert it. So simple, right? And it's totally free. Hey, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you have any comments, then comment down below. Thank you very much and do subscribe.